Alright, I'm going to do a very short video. These are probably the best damn Roman candles that apparently Brothers doesn't make anymore. So this was the best damn Roman candles you could buy for doing racks. PYRO paintballs by Brothers. 7 shots. Lots of colors. 10 different colors. Not 10 different colors, my bad. Or maybe it is 10 different colors. Yeah, 10 different colors. These kick ass for doing fan racks. Pick them up, shoot them off if you can find them. Brothers don't make them anymore. Don't get these. They go real high, but that kind of takes away from their effect. Crazy aces. What the hell is this? Could it be a Thunderking? I don't think so. I think it's a Thunder junk. I don't know. This cake, on the other hand, has some snot to it. Biggs carries it. As far as I know, they're the same cake, but this has a 10-shot finale. This has a 5. Good cake. Look at the difference. Yeah. If you get to try these out, check them out. Good noisy cake. I think they're better than those. Color too, definitely color. Black.